Deep in the frozen mountains of Norway, something incredible has been uncovered. An artifact from a time long before modern civilization. A discovery so well preserved, it looks like it was lost yesterday. But in reality, it's 3,000 years old. This is the story of an ancient arrow frozen in time. Meet Espen Finstad, a glacial archaeologist from Innlandet County, Norway. Earlier this month, while trudging through the melting ice and mud of the Jotunheimen Mountains, he made a discovery that left him speechless. A wooden arrow estimated to be 3,000 years old, complete with its quartzite tip and fletchings, the feathers that help guide its flight. An almost impossible find. Why? Because organic materials like wood and feathers decay over time unless perfectly preserved, like in ice. This arrow is just one of thousands of artifacts that have been emerging from melting ice across the world. From the Himalayas to the Alps, ancient objects, lost by hunters, travelers, and even warriors, are finally seeing daylight again. But why now? The Earth's temperature is rising at an unprecedented rate. Just last month, global temperatures were 1.25 degrees Celsius above the 20th century average, making it the warmest August on record. And as glaciers melt, history is being revealed, but it's also disappearing fast. The thawing ice is giving archaeologists a unique window into the past, but the urgency is real. These artifacts were meant to remain frozen for thousands of years. Now that they're exposed, they are at risk of being destroyed by the elements, wind, rain, and even bacteria. That's why archaeologists are in a race against time. Archaeologists believe this arrow once belonged to a reindeer hunter from the late Stone Age or early Bronze Age. Imagine standing where he stood, thousands of years ago, tracking prey in the icy mountains. The fact that this arrow remained intact allows researchers to study its craftsmanship, materials, and even how it was used. The quartzite tip suggests that the hunter had access to stone tools and advanced knowledge of hunting. The fletching, those delicate feathers, helped stabilize the arrow in flight, proving that even ancient hunters understood aerodynamics. It's a remarkable glimpse into early human ingenuity. This arrow is just one of over 4,000 artifacts found by the secrets of the Ice Project in Norway. Other discoveries include Viking mittens, medieval horseshoes, and even Bronze Age skis. But one of the most famous ice discoveries ever? Ötzi the Iceman, a 5,300-year-old mummy found in the Alps in 1991. At first, hikers thought he was a modern-day mountaineer, but scientists later discovered he was from the Copper Age, preserved by ice for over 5 millennia. Finds like these change our understanding of history, revealing details about ancient clothing, diet, and even social structures. Other major finds include yucca, a 39,000-year-old baby mammoth discovered in Siberia, and a 280-million-year-old fossilized tree found in Antarctica. These discoveries aren't just cool, they rewrite history. But there's a catch. These discoveries are emerging because ice is melting faster than ever. Once these artifacts are exposed, they can quickly deteriorate. What was once frozen in time is now at risk of being lost forever. That's why archaeologists like Espen Finstad and his team are working tirelessly to document and recover these items before it's too late. Dr. William Taylor, an archaeologist from the University of Colorado, says that artifacts like these help fill in the gaps about ancient technology. Instead of guessing how these tools were made, we now have direct evidence. As he puts it, this arrow leaves nothing to the imagination. But there's an even bigger question at play here. How much of our history will be lost before we can recover it? With glaciers receding faster than ever, how many ancient tools, weapons, and even human remains are waiting to be found? And will we get to them in time? This 3,000-year-old arrow is more than just an ancient hunting tool. It's a time capsule, piece of our shared human history. It reminds us of the lives of those who came before us, and the urgency of preserving the past before it's gone forever. What do you think about this incredible discovery? Should more resources be put into glacial archaeology before it's too late? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating stories from the past.